Hello friends, in this video we will see the concept of time, speed and distance. For example, when a body moves from point A to another point B which is at a distance which is at a distance D which is at a distance D, then it requires some time then it requires some time t then it requires some time t to cover the distance, and it needs some speed also. To cover the distance it needs some speed. Okay, when a body moves from point A to point B, it and the distance is d. Okay, and the time required from moving from A to B is t, and when a body is moving from A to B, it consists of some speed s. So the relationship between distance, time and speed is like this. Distance is equal to time into speed. So this one same can be written as time is equal to distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. So when time is constant, so distance is directly proportional to speed. Okay, distance is directly proportional to speed. When distance is constant, so time is inversely proportional to speed. Okay, so inversely proportional to speed, right? So when t is constant, then speed is directly proportional to distance. This we already seen here. Okay, and when s is constant here, then d is directly proportional to t. Okay, when s is constant, time is directly proportional to d, or d is directly proportional to t. Okay, so the distance is equal time into speed. Time is equal distance by speed. Speed is equal distance by time. For example, the ratio of the speeds of A, B, C and D are A colon, B colon, C colon, D. Okay, the ratio of the speeds of A, B, C and D are A colon, B ratio, C ratio, D. Okay, so these are the speeds. Then the ratio of A, B and C to cover the same distance. Okay, then ratios of the time taken by A, B and C and D to cover the same distance. So here the distance is constant. Okay, when distance is constant, okay, the time is inversely proportional to the speed. Okay, that means speed is inversely proportional to the time. So these are the speeds of A, B, C and D in the ratio A is to B is to C is to D. A ratio, B ratio and then C ratio, D. Okay, so then these are the speeds. Then the time taken by A, B, C, D to cover the same distance, and the time is inversely proportional to the speed. So that means the times are in the ratio 1 by A ratio 1 by B ratio 1 by C ratio 1 by D. Okay, so if these are the speeds of A, B, C and D to cover the constant distance, then the time ratios of A, B, C, D to cover that distance is 1 by A ratio 1 by B ratio 1 by C ratio 1 by D. And if the time taken by A, B, C and D are in the ratio P, Q, R and S, then the ratio of their speeds to cover the same distance, then the ratio of the speeds will become 1 by P colon 1 by Q colon 1 by R and then 1 by S. So these are the ratios, because what I am trying to say is actually the time is inversely proportional to speed. The speed is inversely proportional to time. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video. please subscribe to my channel.